Hey, welcome, guys. I wanted to express my gratitude for all the support you guys have had for the channel and all the questions you've been asking, and just like the way that you find the videos to be helpful. And if you are a subscriber, or if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. It really helps out the channel. I wanted to give you guys a gift for work and energy. Some of you may know that I do have more detailed resources on my course that it's for sale because you know, I have to make a living, I have to pay for things, and I have programs to support students in AP Physics 1. A lot of you, that's totally fine. You can't afford those things or you're not interested in them, and that's totally fine. But I wanted to give you guys a chance to access some of the work and energy lessons for free. So I'm going to be offering them to you guys completely free, as a chance to, one, to take a look at the lessons and just to help you out on the work and energy. The reason I don't put them all on YouTube is it's really hard to organize things on YouTube, and there's just harder to do certain things on YouTube. So that's why I host it on it. But like, if you have to make an account, but if you make an account on there, you'll be able to access it. And the description below will show you how you can access it. You just look at the free preview. Doesn't cost you anything. I wanted to show you what it looks like so you can kind of get a sense of like what it is that I'm going to be providing, because I think it's really, really amazing. I put a lot of hours into figuring out a good way to sort of explain work and energy and all of the units in AP Physics 1 in a way that like makes a lot of sense, and just sort of give you a clear process on how to break down some of those questions here. So let me show you what it looks like. So if you this is a preview of the entire program. Like, the entire courses has kinematics, Newton's law, circular motion, but it has kind of the same thing. It's all structured the same way. But if you do the free preview, you'll get to see the work and energy. So there's a few things that you kind of get. You get a note packet that has like problems, examples, all the AP problems. You get lessons, like detailed lessons on every single topic, one of these, on how to use problem solving steps and all the aspects on work and energy. How do we do work, kinetic energy, not just the equations, but really really practical, really useful examples. So you see, how do we put everything together? How does it make sense? Why does it make sense? The way we analyze things. And then there's a lot of AP free response questions. I actually constantly update these. All of the past AP free response questions, these are not the same as the YouTube ones. These have been redone with the solutions and the scoring guidelines in mind to tell you exactly all the things. So these are like a lot more in depth. I really wish I could edit my YouTube. I can't change the YouTube video ones. So the ones that you see on the channel are ones that right when the exams questions are released, I will answer them. But I don't know the scoring guidelines. I don't know exactly what points you're going to be granted on them. So these, I kind of redo the problems with the scoring guidelines in mind and give a lot more explanation. So these are like updated versions of the free response questions. And then I pick out the ones that were, in this case, for work and energy. So these are the several past free response questions, as well as the kind of style of question it was for that there. And then there's also a lot more AP problems in there, like older style AP problems, ones that look like. And again, these are updated. These are not ones that you'll find on my YouTube channel. I mean, I might have done similar problems on my YouTube channel, but sometimes those had errors. Sometimes I didn't explain it super well. So you'll see like more updated versions of these free response questions in here, with keeping in mind the process, the way I explain it, the way I teach you how to break down problems. So there's 11 of those. Then you can see, 6 of the past free response questions. So there's like 17 free response questions that are fully worked out with explanations and things like that, as well as all of those lessons there. So that's everything that you do get in there, and that's completely free to you guys. I just want to show appreciation for all that you've done, and just to help out some of you if you're really struggling or still learning on the work and energy and it's not quite coming together, on all the things that you should be considering when it comes to it. This is really a lot of thought went into it, even if it feels like it's like a few number of problems. But yeah, I hope you guys find this really, really, really useful. The description below will show you how you can access it, how you can create an account, how you can get the free preview, and it will, the checkout page will just say like $0, right? You just create the account and you get access to it. And then I hope you find it really, really, really useful. So yeah. Comment below if this is something that you are excited about or you're interested in, or if it's been helpful for you. But I hope you do find this really useful. I'm going to continue doing the student questions. I'm going to continue making content onto YouTube. But if you really want kind of everything, like the best stuff that I have, like this is where you're going to find it.